Hello guys and welcome to YT Shail. Here is the channel to understand the complex terms in easy way and comparatively in less time. In this video I am going to discuss the difference between credit card and debit card. So if you want to watch this video in Hindi, link is in description. Click on the link and watch this video in Hindi. Before proceeding further, do you know that in Canada the percentage of using credit card is 82.58%, which is highest in the world? Well, in terms of physical appearance, both debit card and credit card looks exactly alike and have similar characteristics and form. 16-digit card number, expiration date, card verification value that is CVV number, issuer company's logo, PIN codes, etc. But there are differences in terms of their functions. A debit card is a payment card that deducts money directly from the customer's bank account. They can be used to buy goods or services or to get cash from ATM or a merchant. And a credit card is a card which allows the holder to purchase goods or services on credit. So the basic difference is when we use debit card, the amount of money will be deducted from our bank account. On the other side, when we use credit card, that means we are borrowing money from the card issuer up to a certain limit in order to purchase goods or service. Later we have to pay them with interest. Here the issuer of credit can be a bank or a credit union that backs the card financially. Well, advantages and disadvantages, and also why people not prefer more credit card. All these questions will be answered in the next video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.